Iris lets you manage, monitor, and control your cameras from anywhere in the world. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up your studio and add your first camera to Iris. Let's jump in. To get started, head to studio.tryiris.ai and sign up for an account. Enter your email and password, then click Continue. Once signed in, follow the prompts to download Iris for your Mac or Windows computer. After installing Iris, log into your account and you'll see a modal pop up requesting permissions. These allow Iris to discover cameras over your network, save recordings onto your computer, and access your computer's audio and video. Accept each permission and click Continue. Your studio is now ready to go. So let's walk through adding your first camera. To add your first camera, navigate to the left tray and click the plus icon to open the Add Camera workflow. Here you will see any auto-discovered sources currently connected to your network. Some cameras are not automatically available over ONVIF or NDI Discovery, and for these, you can manually input the stream URL by clicking the manual RTSP button below. Click on the camera you wish to add and a video preview will display. If you have authentication enabled, a modal will pop up asking you to enter your username and password. This is often the same credentials you use when accessing your camera's web interface. I'll enter my credentials now and press Continue to proceed to video settings. On this step, you should now see a video preview from your camera and any available settings to configure. Note, you may see different options depending on if you connected over NDI, RTSP, or USB. Remember, you can update these at any time after adding your camera. Next, let's select your camera's make and model to load the Iris driver. This step is important as it tells Iris what driver to load and the unique commands that your camera supports. If you don't see your camera's brand, choose the other option to load a generic profile. Lastly, I'll add a nickname for my camera and click Continue. The last step is configuring control. This is how Iris will speak to your camera. Iris has support for all major camera protocols, such as VSCA, Canon XC, and many, many more. The default settings for your camera should be auto-filled for you. After about 5 seconds, you'll see the connection status change to connected. You can then use the D-pad to test the connection and make sure the controls are working correctly. If you don't see control working, we recommend checking to make sure your port number is entered correctly. Click Continue and finish adding the camera. And that's it. Your first camera is now connected to Iris. Now that you have a source added to your studio, let me give you a quick tour. In the center, you will find the canvas where you can see your video sources. On the right, you can access your camera's focus, speed settings in the control tray. And in the next tab is the image tray, where you can access the exposure, white balance, and other image settings tools. For advanced settings, you can right-click on your source in the source tray, or you can click on the cog icon to open the advanced settings menu. Now you're ready to operate your first camera in Iris.